Hi, I'm Kim McBrayer. I'm the owner of Space Cadets, and we are an organizing and closet company here in Birmingham, Alabama. We've been in business for over 20 years. So before we had Striven, we were using a lot of different other software, and it just felt very siloed. It was very disconnected. It was difficult because it was more like a patchwork quilt. That was obviously a very time-consuming process to have to do all of the data entry in multiple places. In our company, what we do is we go into people's homes, and so we have to be on job sites. So we were printing packets and then sending this information out. Those paper packets were getting lost. They were getting misplaced, and obviously in that kind of transfer. And so what I really wanted to do was to be able to see all this data in one location, in one place. And that's what Striven did. After using Striven for over a year now, I have seen that the processes that we have within the company, that we've been doing this for over 20 years now, but these processes through Striven have been streamlined. So what we have done with Striven is everybody has access to it wherever they are. They can pull it up on their phone. They can pull it up on their laptop. We've got iPads that we're using to be able to access this information. And it's so handy and accessible now. The other thing I really love about it is that some of my employees are working from their calendar, and some are working from their task list, and some work from the projects, yet they're looking at the exact same information. And so it's all contingent on how they process information. So it's very specialized and customized to their unique learning abilities. We also are expanding across the state of Alabama, and we're setting up satellite locations, which is super exciting for us. And that's something I've always wanted to do. But now with this incredible tool that we've got to help us on that communication, I feel confident going into it, knowing that I'll be able to communicate effectively, even if I'm not seeing this person on a regular basis. The Striven team is incredible. I have been so impressed with their immediate follow-up, follow-through. If something pops up, which is quite honestly a rare occasion that I'm going to have an issue with Striven, but if there is something that's popped up, I can get an immediate answer. I just click that button, and within seconds, I have somebody that I can communicate with. They are on top of it, and they can get back with me. And the balls don't get dropped. My greatest fear as a business owner is that someone will slip into the cracks. Hey, I never heard from someone. I never, so-and-so never got back in touch with me. Or we get to a job site and we have forgotten to order something. So now I have to tell that client, we don't have everything we need. So what's so great is 4 months in advance, we are sitting down on that Thursday every week, and we are laying these things out on the project management tool. And it has radically changed the way that we run this business. I would tell another business owner if they asked me why to switch over to Striven. And by the way, I have told a lot of other business owners to do this. I would tell them it's my greatest tool that I use to run and to manage my business. And this company not only gave me an incredibly quality product, they walked me through that process, and they were so supportive and patient with me. When I look back at this process, I mean, where we were and where we are today is just drastically different. And I'm so grateful that it has been such an easy process with Striven.